Once, in a small, quaint village, a mysterious series of events unfolded. It all began when the town's prized possession, an ancient artifact known as the Whispering Stone, vanished from the local museum. The police were baffled, and rumors about a possible curse spread like wildfire. As the days passed, peculiar symbols started appearing on the doors of some houses, leaving the residents bewildered and fearful. Nobody knew the significance of these symbols or who was behind them. In the heart of the mystery was an enigmatic figure known only as the Shadow. This elusive individual was said to be responsible for several unsolved crimes in the past, leading the villagers to believe they were dealing with a cunning and dangerous mastermind. Detective Anna, a seasoned investigator from the nearby city, was brought in to crack the case. Her keen eye and sharp instincts made her the perfect candidate to unravel the secrets of the village. With the help of the villagers, Anna delved into the history of the Whispering Stone, unearthing ancient legends and long-forgotten tales. She discovered that the artifact was believed to possess mysterious powers capable of bestowing both blessings and curses upon those who possessed it. As the investigation progressed, Anna began to piece together the puzzle, connecting the symbols on the doors to a hidden network of underground tunnels beneath the village. These tunnels were rumored to have been used by a secret society centuries ago. With determination, Anna followed the trail, leading her deeper into the labyrinthine tunnels. There, in a hidden chamber, she finally confronted the Shadow. To her surprise, it turned out to be an elderly historian, seeking to protect the Whispering Stone from falling into the wrong hands. The historian confessed that he had orchestrated the symbols to deter potential thieves and preserve the artifact's sanctity. He believed that only those pure of heart and seeking knowledge should be worthy of its power. In the end, Detective Anna understood the true intentions behind the mysterious events. She convinced the historian to return the Whispering Stone to the museum, under the condition that it would be protected and shared with the world for its historical significance. And so, the mystery was solved, but the legend of the Whispering Stone and the enigmatic Shadow lived on, forever woven into the fabric of the village's history and imagination.